In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your email notifications in the Temu app or website. This concise guide will help you customize your notifications to better suit your preferences, ensuring you're kept up to date in the way that works best for you. Let's start by launching the Temu app on your device or opening the Temu website on your computer. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, your first stop will be the account settings. This is the hub where you can control all things related to your account, from notifications to privacy options. On the app, you'll typically find this by tapping the icon that represents a person or your profile, often located in the top right corner of the screen. On the website, look for a similar icon or a link that says account near the top of the page. Now that you're in the account settings section, it's time to look for the option that says notifications. This section is crucial as it allows you to specify what kind of alerts Temu will send you. Whether you want to keep up with the latest updates from the app or prefer to limit the number of notifications, adjusting these settings can make a big difference in controlling the flow of information to your inbox. Once you find the notifications section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. You will see various categories for notifications, one of which is email notifications. These are the messages that Temu can send directly to your email address regarding account activity, offers, and updates. Here's where the customization comes in. To the right of the email notifications category, you should notice a toggle switch. If you'd like to receive emails, make sure this switch is turned on. Conversely, if you find the emails excessive or prefer not to receive them, simply turn this toggle off. The beauty of this feature is that you can revisit and adjust these settings whenever your preferences change. By taking the time to adjust these settings, you can significantly enhance your overall experience with Temu, ensuring that you receive only the information you deem necessary. Remember, managing these notifications is entirely up to you and can be revisited anytime you feel a change is needed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to manage your email notifications on the Temu platform. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or would like us to cover other features in the future, feel free to reach out. Thanks for joining me today, and make sure to tune in next time for more helpful tutorials.